Hello. Okay, so on today's episode, I don't know why I call it episode, but today's screenshot to reality is this beautiful. Look at the box. Oh, now I usually do my unboxing like it's a review because I love being able to open my items, enjoy it, feel the feeling before kind of unboxing if I want to. However, in this instance, I decided I am going to do a real-time unboxing, a real-time review. So let's see if I'm going to be excited or disappointed. We shall see. Oh, here is the box. Matthew, please stop. I had to go and do some mommy duties and then come back. Okay, so the box is open now and let's see. Am I going to love it or not? I know what is inside, but I haven't seen it in real life. So. Let's see. Oh, it's from... Oh my god, this is not the best. Oh, it's from Retro... How is this called? Is it Reterofète? And let me open it gently. Easy does it. I'm going to close my eyes. Oh well, I've seen it now. It's alright. Okay. Still wrapped, so that's the brand. Let's see. Please let me like this. Let me love it, not just like it. Oh, I have to. I do these things very... Oh, that's a lot. Easy peasy. Ooh, I love the feeling. The touch alone. Oh, this is good quality. Just touching it alone. Oh. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Love at first sight. Now, let me look. Ooh. Okay. Exactly what I imagined it to be. Here are the details. Details. Okay, let me throw it on myself and see. I mean, oh, this outfit I'm wearing isn't... Is it too big? This is a size medium because the size small sold out and the recommended size on the website was a medium, and most of my blazers are actually medium because I like to have that little bit of space. So now I think I'm going to have to, I don't know, wearing it with this green. Ooh, I love the feel. Okay, I think I'm going to have to process this off camera. I'm going to process it off camera. I'm not sure I'm liking this green, the colorway, but I have to process it off camera to see how I feel about it. I love the red. I love the details. I'm just wondering if it's too big. Oh, I love this shoulder as well. Like, this is the reason why I actually bought it. I love this structured... What's this word? Oh, shoulder pad. Blazers. Shoulder padded blazers. It's like... Okay, anyway. Yes, so that's it. That's the look. I love it. This is velvet. This dress I'm wearing inside is kind of making me not see the beauty very well. But okay. One of the styles I have in my brain is I want to wear it with a black commando leggings and a pair of sockets. That is one styling I have in my head. Oh my god, that looks good. That already? Yes. That is one styling. And then of course there are other stylings over a dress, not this dress, over, but that is the first time I'm going to wear it. It will be this black commando leggings and a pair of silk kits.